Alright, good morning, Dad. I tried to uh, try this oven here, the stove, and I brought my friend here who is a chef to see about this stove, to try all these things, and then try to try this. But the part that we brought here, the part is so light for it, and then they said they have the part for it. I got a robot, the BB, it got a weight, like I said, but the stove is like the glass stack. You don't have to put any other thing on top of it, or like chef. So they want just looking at a touch. So you just put the part to the indicator spaces here. So we put this part here, but the part is very light. And then as you can see, once the part is seated, it will just be trembling. Yeah, the part will just be that kind of shaking. So the part is very light for it. So I just wanted to try it open, but the stove is working really. Yeah, so it is on, and then the machine is picking this, the machine can pick this, the other stuff. So the guys that are trying, the guy came to try it. As you can see, the part is boiling. So the steam is out. Okay.
It's stabilizing.
It's stabilizing. Okay, when it's just picking it up.
Yeah, but it does special part for it. That's it.
Yeah. I can always see that stuff. Okay. Yes, sir. Steam now. Okay, coming up. So for this place here, all this place have been potty. So put a potty here. Let's see. It is raining. It have been raining here since yesterday. So you can see that the place, all we have potty this place here. Put potty all in this place, and the guy is still working. You see him, he's doing a potty. Still doing the potty work. So we are here upstairs here doing the potty. So this is it. So the child to wow was a friend yesterday, but it had been raining. Since you can see that the rain have been falling so heavily. So there's no way now. We have to wait until we experience some sunshine here in Kakata, so that the guy can continue the painting or the washing of the fence outside. So for here, we want to do our best to see how best we can do all this potty inside. Then before we can extend it outside now. Yeah, so this is it.